Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Yes, you absolutely can export your Outlook calendar directly to Excel. This is a common and useful feature for tracking, analysis, or reporting. Here's how to do it using the Outlook desktop application. First, open Outlook on your computer. Go to the File tab located in the top left corner. From there, select Open and Export, then click on Import, Export. A new wizard window will appear. Choose the option Export to a File and click Next. On the next screen, select Comma-Separated Values, CSV, as the file type, then click Next again. Now, you need to select the specific calendar you wish to export. Scroll down and choose the calendar folder, making sure it's the correct one if you have multiple calendars. Click Next. You'll then be asked to choose a location on your computer to save the new CSV file. Pick a folder that's easy to find and give the file a clear, descriptive name. Click Next, and finally, click Finish. Outlook will then create the CSV file with your calendar data. Once the export is complete, open Excel. Go to File, then Open, and navigate to where you saved your CSV file. Excel will display your calendar entries, with each detail like subject, start time, end time, and location organized into separate columns. You might need to adjust column widths or apply some basic formatting within Excel to make the data more readable. This process allows you to easily review past appointments, analyze your schedule, or create custom reports from your calendar data in a static, editable spreadsheet format.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.